is leading into Mother's Day weekend, and you'll notice my baby mama ain't with me. So Lisa and her mom, our 2 daughters, and our granddaughter, the 5 ladies spanning 4 generations, they've gone on their own weekend trip, that weekend getaway. So since they're on their weekend getaway, I'm following my buddy Dan, and we're on our weekend getaway. So we're heading up to the St. Helens, Michigan area. A lot of trails up that way. I've never explored there. I don't think Dan has explored too much up there either. I'm not sure about that. But it's Friday night, like I said. We're going to go spend Friday night and Saturday night is the plan. And hopefully tomorrow we're going to hit a lot of trails, spend the day exploring that area. So hope you'll stick around and see what we find. Alright, so if you've been watching, which you have if you got this far. Of course without Lisa, so I'm in the Jeep tonight. Yeah, last night, if you've been watching the video, you noticed I slept on that side, on the driver's side, and that was because the refrigerator was on the passenger side, and I didn't really think about it. I just rearranged everything to the passenger side, and I slept driver's side. Unfortunately, that seat don't go up the way this seat does, or at least that didn't. I don't know. I ended up a little short. I was fine. I'm not very tall anyway, but I couldn't stretch out like normal. Just had to sleep kind of on my side with my legs bent a little bit, but I did sleep pretty well. But tonight, I thought it through, and I pushed everything to the driver's side. Pushed the passenger seat up, tipped it forward, so I got a little bit more length to stretch out a little more. So hopefully you're going to sleep good tonight. I got a heavier pullover on and my hat, because last night got down to, I think, around 46, something like that, mid 40s. Tonight's supposed to drop down into the mid to high 30s, so expect to be a little cooler, but I was pretty comfortable last night in the sleeping bag, so I don't think it's going to get that cold to where I'm going to get cold. I'm going to stay in the sleeping bag and should stay warm. It's not going to get down to freezing. So we hung out a little bit trying to catch northern lights again tonight, but they just didn't show up the way they did last night. So we got back to camp a little early, got our dinner as you saw, and then just hung out around the campfire for quite a while and kind of waiting for it to get dark to see the northern lights. But we were both kind of tired, so once we took a look for the northern lights and weren't really getting them, then we decided to call it a night. So yeah, should sleep good tonight, I hope. Tomorrow morning, gonna get up and probably just do some more instant oatmeal and get some coffee, and then get things rearranged, packed up, and probably head on home. I don't know if we're gonna hit any trails on the way or not. If we do, you'll see them. If not, thanks for watching. And as always, we adventure at our level. Get out there and adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.